Yeah guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock your WhatsApp app on your mobile device. So let's get started. You need to open up your WhatsApp. If you want to lock it, firstly open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, click on these your three dots, then click on settings, then scroll down and click on privacy here, then scroll down and click on apps lock here, then here click on you have to enable it. So if you want to lock your WhatsApp, you need to use your fingerprint. You can see, just touch the fingerprint section here. Then you'll be able to use your fingerprint, your face, or any other identifier to open your WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if your WhatsApp is locked, maybe a video call or a chat call. So you just put your hand here. Once you put your hand here, you're on your fingerprint here, then you'll be able to lock your WhatsApp very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.